Hi everyone, welcome to yet another exciting lesson. In today's lesson, we have this interesting question over here at your view. We have into bracket x plus 99, close the bracket, to the power of 2 equal to 9. What is the value of x? X equal to what? Solution. So over here, we need to solve for the value of x. So from our question, x plus 99 into bracket to the power of 2 equal to 9. Here, first thing first, let's move this 9 over to the left hand side. X plus 99 into bracket to the power of 2 minus 9 equal to 0. The next thing we need to do here is to simplify this 9 as x plus 99 into bracket to the power of 2 minus 3 to the power of 2 equal to 0. From this step, we have this expression looking like a difference of 2 square, which can be expressed as a minus b into bracket to the power of 2 is given by a plus b into bracket, then a minus b into bracket. So we apply this identity to the next step over here. Now we have x plus, considering a plus b, so we are going to have x plus 99 then plus 3 into bracket, then open another bracket for a minus b. We also have x plus 99 minus 3, close the bracket, equal to 0. So now we simplify the expression in the bracket. So we have x plus 99 plus 3, and that will give us 102. 102. X plus 102. Then x 99 minus 3 will now give us x plus 96. So into bracket equal to 0. So now we have this to be x plus 102 equal to 0, which simply means that x equal to 1 minus 102. So for this side, we have x plus 96 equal to 0, which simply means that x equal to minus 96. X equal to 102, x equal to minus 102, or x equal to minus 96. Now, what we need to do is to conclude that as the value of x, which is going to serve as a method to solve this equation, this expression. So we can apply another method to this, and for the second method we have method 2, and that brings us to the expression x plus 99 into bracket to the power of 2 equal to 9. So from this identity, a plus b into bracket to the power of 2 equal to a to the power of 2 plus 2ab then plus b squared. So this expression will be applicable to this side of the left hand side. So we put the left hand side in this form, and that becomes x squared plus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 99, then plus 99 squared, everything equal to 9. And this can be written as x squared plus 2 multiplied by 99 is given as 198x plus 99 squared can also be given as 9801 equal to 9. We bring this 9 to the left hand side, so we have x squared plus 198x plus 9801 minus 9 equal to 0. So if we simplify this, we arrive at x squared plus 198x then plus 9792 equal to 0. Equal to 0. Here we have a quadratic equation which we can factorize or use the quadratic formula. Let's approach this first with the factorization method. Using the factorization method, we need two numbers whose product will be equal to 9792 and which sum will be equal to 198, and that gives us the value, the two number to be equal to 102 then multiply by 96. Likewise for the sum, we have 102 plus 96. So having gotten these two numbers, then we can now use it to factorize the quadratic equation. So our next step becomes x power 2 plus 102x plus 96x plus 9792 equal to 0. So now we have this to be x squared plus 102x into brackets plus 96x plus 9792 into bracket equal to 0. Now we now factor out x over here. X into bracket x plus 102 plus over here we have 96 factor out into bracket x plus 102 equal to 0. Now we have x plus 102 factor out, x plus 102 then into bracket x plus 96 equal to 0. This simply means that x plus 102 be equal to 0 or x plus 96 be equal to 0. Then we have x equal to minus 102 or x equal to minus 96. So these are the two values of x for the second method. Now we can also approach this with the quadratic formula. So let's use the quadratic formula as well to solve this. So we use the quadratic formula. quadratic formula. For the quadratic formula, we have x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So in this case, our a is equal to 1, then our b is equal to 198, and c equal to 9792. So we apply this, or we input this number into the equation, into the formula. We have x to be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of 198 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1, then multiplied by c, which is 9792. We have all this over 2 multiplied by 1, which is the a. So now we simplify what we have in the equation. We have this becomes 198, not b. 198 minus 198. Take care of this. Minus 198. So we have minus 198 plus or minus square root. So if we simplify what we have over here, then we have 39204 minus the whole of this 39168 all over 2. This gives us minus 198 plus or minus, so if we subtract what we have over here, and that will give us 36 over 2, and this is equal to minus 198 plus or minus square root of 36 is given by 6 over 2, and this is equal to x. So this is the value of x. So it means that x is equal to minus 198 plus 6 over 2 can be written as 6 minus 198 over 2, which is equal to minus 96. So for the first value of x. Then for the second value of x, we have minus 198 minus 6 over 2 can be written as minus 204 over 2, and this is equal to minus 102, which proves and confirms the factorization method to the quadratic formula method. So having gotten the same value for both methods, then we can now quickly check for the value if it satisfies the earlier question, which means we need to confirm the right hand side to be equal to the left hand side. So our question implies 99, that is x plus 99 to the power of 2 equal to 9. So at x equal to minus 96, will the left hand side be equal to the right hand side? So we input the minus 96. So we have minus 96 plus 99, minus 96 plus 99 to the power of 2 equal to 9. This means that 99 minus 96 into bracket to the power of 2 equal to 9. So that will give us 3 to the power of 2 equal to 9. So 3 to the power of 2 equals 9, and that will equal to 9. So this proves the first value, that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. But at x equal to minus 102, would that be the same? Will the left hand side be equal to the right hand side? So we have our value to be minus 102 plus 99 into bracket equal to 9, and that's with the power of 2. So we have 99 minus 102 equal to the power of 2 equal to 9. So this expression gives us minus 3 into bracket to the power of 2 equal to 99, and this can be expressed as minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 equal to 99. So this minus will go with this minus, become positive. So we have 3 multiplied by 3, we have 9, and that's equal to 9. So this simply means that for x equal to minus 102, the left hand side is equal to the right hand side as well. So this proves our value of s is correct. So do like, share and subscribe to the channel as we meet in another exciting lesson. Bye for now.